All right, guys, welcome. We are working on section 4 of Pyung, Peace and Confidence number 2. Now, this part of the form is going backwards, so we finished up with section number 3, where we were in the knife hand block this way. So the next motion is going to be going backwards, right? We're going to be going down the eye instead of up the middle. We're going down the middle. So it's going to be here. Now, what I'm going to do for this, because I want you to see this is the hardest part of the whole form, is right here, okay? This is the most complicated, so I want to make sure I give it to you facing so you can see the little things, and then I will put it in the form going backwards so you can see the flow, all right? So, we just finished up our knife hand block here. Now, the first thing we're going to do, this is a reverse inside to outside block. Reverse means that we have one foot out, and the opposite hand is doing the block, all right? So from here, it's gonna be an reverse inside-outside block, okay? So I'm gonna start here. So I wanna take my right hand and I'm gonna grab my sword, left hand to the shoulder. My front foot, my left foot is gonna step down the middle, and I'm gonna do an inside-to-outside block right hand, okay? So this is the count of 1. Now this is 1 of 2 inside-to-outside blocks, okay? Now from here, this next count has 3 moves. Okay, so it's going to be a front kick, put it in front, notice this hand hasn't moved, reverse punch, okay, and now the hand that's punching is going to do our second inside to outside block. So 2 of 2, so this hand covers and blocks, all right, so 3 moves, this is our second block. Count 3 has 2 moves, so I'm going to kick, 1, reverse punch. No second block after this punch, okay? Now from here, the last move is a 2-fisted middle block. So knuckles to knuckles on my front hip, step, 2-fisted middle block, okay? So it's a little confusing, it's a little complicated. Let's go through this a little faster, okay? So I'm gonna start here, middle knife hand block. Right hand's gonna grab the sword. I'm gonna turn, reverse inside to outside block, that's the count. Okay, now, this next count has 3 moves. Kick, reverse punch, left hand, inside to outside block. That's number 2. We have no more inside to outside blocks. Next count, kick, reverse punch, no block. Step, 2-fisted middle block. Okay? Now, if we can't remember what we're doing, I've been counting down for you, okay? So I do here, okay, my first count after this has 3 moves. So count 1, 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. Count 2 has 2 moves. Kick, punch. Count 3 has 1 move. 2-fisted middle block. Okay? So let's put that in the form. So we did spear hand, section 2, middle knife hand block, middle knife hand block, middle knife hand block, middle knife hand block. Let's move into the next section. Inside outside block, reverse, kick, reverse middle punch, same hand, inside outside block. Kick, reverse punch, step, 2-fisted middle block. Now, that's it for section 4. There is no key up on the 2-fisted middle block. So, it's a different section that we do the key up on this time. Okay? So just remember, no key up on the 2-fisted middle block. If you have any questions, feel free to ask myself or Kyosanem or one of your seniors to help you out with this. All right? We will see you on section 5. Tongsu.